Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing off-grid cooking. I'll be making scrambled eggs. All you need is a little frying pan, a cooling rack, a cake pan, and some candles. In my next step, I will be lighting the candles. I now will be lighting my candles. You have to have enough candles underneath the pan to cover the bottom of the pan. They're all nice and lit. You put your grill top on it, and then you put the pan on it. And this pan doesn't even need anything in the pan like oil, because it's non-stick. But I will be putting oil in it a little bit. I'll be back after the pan heats up. Now while the pan is preheating, I'm going to be fixing my eggs. I gotta find my salt and pepper. Got my salt and pepper. I'm just going to make me a couple eggs. So let me get the box of eggs out of your way so you can see what I'm doing. I just crack them in a cup. Just one. Two. I put some chives in there that I cut up. I like chives in my eggs. I'll put a little bit of milk in there, and I beat it inside my cup. A smidgen of milk. I put a little pepper in there. And some salt. Now I just beat it. To give it more flavor, I'll put some... No, I don't want red pepper. Where's my egg? I got a spice full. I got a cupboard full of spice. What do I want in here? Let me see. I got enough spices, I just gotta make up my mind. I would do this Mrs. Dish. It's salt-free brand, extra spicy. I'll put a little bit of that in there. Did I even open it? Okay, good. I opened it. I just got to find out how to open the thing. Okay. A little bit of that. Don't want too much. I want to wake my body up though. Let's see. Now the pan is heating up. So, the eggs is ready to go. As you can see, let me get it over there. You can, hopefully you can see it. There we go. You can see that the candles is heating up the pan. We'll be back in a few minutes. Hello, we're back to cook the eggs now. Oh yeah, I gotta put some oil in there. I want to put a little bit of oil in there. Just a smidgen. Take it off and roll it around a little bit. And yes, I used olive oil. It will cook it, but it's going to be slower. It will cook it, but it will be slower. Let me see. Do I have a lid for it? To make it cook a little bit faster, since this is going to be slower. It's already cooking, so I'm just stirring it up. I'll put the lid on it to let it cook that way. It does cook it a lot slower than you normally would, but it will cook it. When I actually boiled water, it actually took 40 minutes for it to boil, bring the water to a boil. But it did boil the water. Let me check them. Yes, it's going to take a lot longer than you normally would. But it is working. I even did pancakes like this. I boiled sausage, I did pancakes like this too. And I'll flip it around so you can see it for yourself. See, it is cooking it. It's slow. But you can see it starting to get thicker. Put the lid on and let it go. I'm going to check it again. You can see that it actually is cooking. I'm stirring it up. See? It actually is cooking it. So if you run out of power, you got a cake pan in your house, cooling rack, and some tea light candles, you're good. See, it's cooking it. Put the lid on it and let it go again. And I'm going to stir it up again. I'd like to see that I've been cooking it. And no, I didn't put it to a different burner or nothing like that. I'm just cooking it this way. And I put the lid on it. The steam will also cook it too. I'm going to check it again. Flip it over. Flip it over. It's almost done. like mine fully cooked. I don't like them runny. And I'll bring it around for you to see. They're almost done. Let me turn them over a little bit more to make sure it gets done. You never thought you could cook with candles now, did you? Another use for candles. Cooking. Because this will come in handy when you don't have gas to your gas stove or electric, and you ran out of your propane for your gas grill. Very helpful. Let me stir it up again. I'll be stirring it up. I'll be flipping it over, so I'm going to put it on the other side now. Let me flip it. The brighter note is less likely to burn because it cooks slower. I will check it again and I'll show you how it looks. That's how it looks. They're done. So now I get to put them on my plate. I'm putting them on my plate now. Now you know you can use candles to cook with. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share my videos. I will be doing more of these type of videos so you see a wide range of stuff you can do with off-the-grid cooking. Thank you.